See the difference, original shot, then the same scene with an object inserted seamlessly. Today I'll show how to insert objects seamlessly using Google Flow powered by Veo AI. Start by importing your clip, then select Insert Object from the left toolbar. Roughly mask the area where the object will sit and enable object tracking to follow motion. Then open blending settings, match lighting, choose color match, and soften edges. We'll insert 3 examples: a coffee cup on a table, a floating balloon, and a branded logo on a screen. Place the coffee cup, anchor contact points where the cup touches the table, then track the motion. For the balloon, enable depth-aware tracking and add soft edge feathering for natural overlap. For a logo, use planar tracking, lock perspective, then set blend mode to screen or multiply as needed. Quick tips: match exposure, tweak color temperature, and add a subtle shadow to ground the object. Preview with motion blur, check occlusion frames, then render at full resolution and original frame rate. Try Veo AI's Google Flow today, insert objects seamlessly and bring your scenes to life.